Hi friends, I'm Rahul. Welcome to our channel DIY Almost Everything. Today I have brought a new product, Rider Shoes, which is great for bike riders. This product is from Ego Italy store, bought from Amazon for 2720. Let's open the box and see. So there are two pair of shoes. These are black in color. These are waterproof shoes and it comes with Velcro. And a chain and a zip chain. It's lightweight but very good quality. It is very hard as such, but I think a perfect biker shoes. My first reaction, these are fantastic pair of shoes. However, I'll use them and again put a video with my experience. Meanwhile, thank you for watching my channel. Request you to please subscribe.